I just got excited because our state pass covers through next month. I thought I was going to have to pay a whole bunch of money to go camping tonight with my wife, and I just found out I got a discount because my state pass is good through next month. So Happy New Year's to us, and here comes camping. We got to go rough it in a new tent. Can y'all see that cute little dog? He is super cute. We call this glamping. This is the Christmas special. That is awesome. What up, guys? It is chilly outside, and we are camping. I just woke up. I can smell firewood burning and hear kiddos talking, and so it is time for me to get up and take care of my chores. So we got here late last night, and apparently you gotta pay more than we wanted to pay, and go talk to people in the morning if you show up late. So we're gonna go take care of that and make sure that we have an okay camping trip, make sure we don't get in trouble. But hey, I just wanted to tell y'all good morning. I'm really excited. Guys, that was not only easy, but I'm a Texas State Park pass holder. We bought it last year because we wanted to go camping a lot, and we didn't get to go camping a lot. But I just found out I got 50% off my second night here. 50% off. Like, that's baller, man. I just paid $37 for a $50 stay. This is awesome. So I just made some discounts. Jenna's gonna be really happy if she wakes up. I'm about to go start a fire, get breakfast rolling. And then I heard there's a fishing event here. We're at Johnson State Park, Johnson Branch State Park. There is a fishing event here for kiddos. I think they stocked a pond with trout. And Cabela's is coming out, and I'm like, shoot, man, I just stopped at Cabela's last night to get some camping gear, you know? These kids are gonna probably have a blast. It's time to make a fire. Well, we're camping, and we're roughing it. Thank you, goldfish. What? What we got going on over here?
Oh, there they are. There, I got them. Way ahead.
We got sausage getting sliced. We've got this firewood, which was super hard to get burning, but it's alive now. We got water about to be boiled. We got some eggs. Inside a tin foil. Got our guard dogs. They alert us even when we're not in danger. They just alert us. She's got the super sniffer.
Ready?
Oh my goodness. I wasn't ready, but I'm ready to watch now. Oh, this is gonna be magical. Oh man.
That water, man.
It's gonna be great.
It's pretty hot.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's not boiling, but...
Is it hot enough to make coffee? Because I really want some coffee. Some cowboy coffee. Well guys, breakfast is done. My wife is an excellent cook. And we have a biscuit, sausage, and eggs, and French pressed coffee. And she's over there rinsing the coffee now. So yeah, this is amazing. Hey, are we at Johnson State Park? Johnson Branch?
Johnson Branch of, like, something Ryan Lake State Park.
Hmm.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Good.
The noisiest camping ever with dogs. Got our hot coffee, which I'm super excited about. My wife is the chef. She was doing a good job. She even fed the dogs scraps. They were happy and attentive. Dogs love fire hydrants. Rascal, go use the restroom. He's so uncivilized. Maisie, no hunting dogs. No hunting dogs. You're not welcomed here. She's not listening.
No hunting dogs, that means people are gonna hunt for them. Okay?
How do people have big dogs and walk them? Ugh, that's almost worth the price. Whatever it costs to get a dog not to do this, it's probably worth it. Both of us. We got sled dogs.
Ew, what is that?
I don't know. We're gonna have to come back. This was nice. This is a payphone. When's the last time you saw a payphone? That's interesting. I can't remember the last time I saw a payphone.
Maybe pay attention.
Really? Really?
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go.
Why y'all wet? Why are you shaking in the water?
Drink it out of my hand, girlie.
Rascal will if he sees it.
Rascal, here you go. He doesn't want to come over here. He doesn't like the water. Here you go. You can spit it out around.
Is that okay? Rascal, don't get a stomach bug. Whoa! We're out of here. Digging bugs. Gotta go. Ah, I hate stinging bugs. For you.
I even said right before that, hey, they're following you.
Ah. I think this is where I almost tripped earlier too. Good thing I about died. I don't even see what I tripped on. Somebody just reached up and grabbed my foot while I was running. Oh, I love camping. How's the camping trip so far? Yeah? You liking it? I'm liking how peace and quiet it is out here.
The dog is panting.
Yeah, the dogs are echoing. They're so loud and panting. What is this? We've walked upon something.
Prairie Splendor.
I guess at one point in time, whoa, that was a really big bird. At one point in time, oh, there's a picture here with fox and a rabbit. They're best friends in nature. There's another raven back there, and my dog sees it.
Yeah, he's pointing.
What was that, Rascal? He's so cute.
We tricking you.
Get him every time.
The first one. So funny.
First one, he's trying to kill something.
You're like,
Have we?